apartment sitting on a second floor right on 2000 21st Avenue in Oakland, California. This is a nice gated community that is just 2 miles away from Fruitvale Boulevard and a few minutes from Highland Hospital, making it super convenient location for those on the go. We have laundry on site and it is available right now. Let's check it out. And that seems to be a very nice size 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, available now at 510-967-1498.